Slow down.
I have a child at home, dude.
Hey. Do you understand what I'm going to tell you?
I have a newborn baby at home, dude.
Stop.
Like, nobody's my newborn daughter, who's not being able to eat
well,
because
then
I've
you
filed for
take the
assistance through the government, and the government's not helping. I have no car now. I'm not driving. I'm walking to work. It's freezing.
I could care less. I don't want to hear it. You owe $99. We gave you another adjournment. You pay it by then. You don't want to pay it. You want to just please.
What you just saw in those 30 seconds took months of frustration to build up to and only seconds to explode. This isn't just a man arguing over a traffic ticket. This is a pressure cooker of financial desperation, fatherhood, and a system that feels designed to punish, not to help. The man you see is Kyle Houston Scarlett, and his entire future is hanging on a late fee of just $99. He believes a simple payment plan would solve everything, and has been promised as much before. The court, however, has a different interpretation. He was offered one final chance, a simple adjournment to get his affairs in order. But what he does with that offer is what turns this routine hearing into an unforgettable human drama.
Kyle David Houston Scarlett, 24T644170.
Good morning, Marcus.
See, what do I got here? Is it just a B and a C file?
Your Honor, I believe that he has one driving license suspended and two accompanying civil infractions.
Okay, that was stuck back there. A, B, and C. Your name?
Kyle Houston Scarlett.
How many times am I going to adjourn these?
Your Honor, he has actually made some forward progress. I believe that he made a payment yesterday. He just has to make an outstanding late fee payment. So I'm asking for one final adjournment. I've made it clear that if he's not able to solidify getting his license reinstated.
Last adjournment, Mr. Scarlett, Houston Scarlett. Do you understand me?
Yeah, I understand. Can I say something?
I'm giving you at least 3. No, all right, I don't want to hear it. January what, Lisa? 16th?
16th at 9:30.
Get this taken care of. Last one. You got it?
Yeah, I've been trying to pay for it. Like,
all right, we'll try harder because that's the last one I'm giving you. Good luck. Kelly Lynn Martin.
Like, I literally can't afford to survive right now. Nobody will listen to me.
Mr.
I don't
Houston,
even know who the
that's enough.
prosecutor is.
You got your adjournment, Mr. Houston. Stop
I
speaking.
don't want
Have a
an
nice day.
adjournment. I don't want an adjournment though. This is what nobody's understanding. Like, I've tried.
Slow
Dude.
down.
I can't
Just
afford
slow
this
down.
shit, man.
Slow down.
I have a child at home, dude.
Hey. Do you understand what I'm going to tell you?
I have a newborn baby at home, dude.
Stop.
Like, nobody's
Stop.
listening. I need help. I have no support. I've filed
Stop.
for assistance.
I'll tell you what, you're going to have a lot bigger problem. You keep interrupting me. Just slow down. Take a deep breath and relax. Let me look at your file.
Dude.
Stop it.
Not fair,
Grow
man.
up.
Dude, like,
Stop. What does he have to pay?
Your Honor, you just got an outstanding late fee. You made a payment yesterday, and
I just want to
Judge,
plead
he's a-
guilty and
Shut
get it
up.
over with.
I've had it. That's enough. Just let me talk to your lawyer for a second. Nobody's trying to railroad anybody here.
Your Honor, in this circumstance, if he gets that last payment, he'll be in a position to have this reduced to a 0-point offense, which will be beneficial,
Right.
and also, more likely than not, get a civil infraction reduction. At this point, it would not be in his best interest to rush the case based on pleading guilty as charged, especially when he's granted a Zoom appearance.
I get it. I get it. I know. We make it so convenient now, don't we? I get the feeling at one point, if I'm here long enough, I'm going to be going over to defendants' houses rather than them having to Zoom in. Maybe 3, 4, 5 years, I expect that to happen. Listen to me very carefully. Your lawyer's trying to help you, okay? Just settle down, relax. How much does he owe?
I think less than a few $100s.
What's a
last
few
check.
hundred?
I owe
When I spoke with
$99.
Mr.
I was told the first time that if I set up a payment plan, it would be okay and we could move forward. Then I come back and you tell me it's not good enough. I don't understand.
Your Honor, can you put him in a breakout room? I'll speak to him and explain everything.
Just, you gotta settle down.
Dude,
You
I've
gotta
tried.
settle.
Wait, stop. Did you catch the dynamic here? This isn't just an angry defendant, it's a complete breakdown of communication. The lawyer is desperately trying to save his client from himself, explaining that pleading guilty now would be a massive mistake, erasing the chance to reduce the charges. But Mr. Scarlett isn't hearing legal strategy. He's hearing another delay. Notice what he's not saying. He never claims he's innocent. He's arguing that he is trying to comply, but feels trapped by shifting goalposts and a lack of support. The judge, for his part, sees hundreds of cases like this and is trying to maintain order, but his attempts to de-escalate are only making things worse. The judge has now drawn his line in the sand, but the defendant is about to cross it in a way that will force the judge to abandon procedure entirely.
Hold on.
I'm trying to get this. Nobody will talk to me. I've had 3 different attorneys. No one is the same anytime. I have there's no order. I don't understand. Like, I've made
Mr. Scarlett.
I paid $300 in 2 weeks. I've tried. I can't
Mr.
afford
Scarlett.
this.
Mr. Scarlett. Settle down. Sometimes we make our bed and then we got to get in it. You follow me? Now,
I can't afford
trying-
$1,000 for insurance. I have to feed my
Mr.
daughter. That's why I got
Settle.
pulled over the first time.
Settle down. Don't interrupt me. So did you take care of the ticket out of Wyandotte, the suspension there because you didn't pay your no insurance from August? Did you take care of that ticket yet?
That's what I'm paying. I've paid $250 or something. I owe $99 left. I didn't know there was a late fee. I lost my job.
All right, settle down. So you got to pay $99, right?
Yeah.
And that will give you the clearance as well, the 45. That'll cover your clearance fee, right?
Yes.
All right. Whoever is in the background there, would you please stop talking? Would you please stop? I would not let you do that in court. I've heard you 3-4 times conversing. You're not his lawyer. I'm sure it's probably your mother, sir. That's fine. But no more of this, please. Just let me handle this. So you got to pay $99. What else do you have to do?
That's it. I've never had it. I have no priors. I have no tickets.
All
nothing.
right. So I don't understand why you're getting so upset. That's not that overwhelming. You've got another 3-4 weeks to pay that.
I just paid yesterday.
Paid what yesterday?
Over $150 yesterday. And they told me that would be fine. My problem is the first time I came to court, my attorney here told me that if I just set up a payment plan and made progress, that this would be fine and we could move forward. And then I come back and they tell me it's not good enough. And then I went in there yesterday and paid my remaining balance, and they told me that I owed more.
All right, that's in Wyandotte. We have nothing to do with Wyandotte. We're not affiliated with the 27th District Court in Wyandotte.
I understand that. So why am I being
Stop
punished for it?
interrupting. Stop interrupting. Nobody's punishing anybody. They're trying to help you get a valid license so you don't continue to drive with a suspended license and then find yourself back in this predicament in a week, a month, 2 months, so it doesn't snowball and continue to snowball. So he's trying to help you. Just stop. I'll give you this adjournment. Figure out a way to pay the $99. Stop feeling sorry for yourself.
I feel sorry for my newborn daughter, who's not being able to eat because
then
I've
you
filed for
take the
assistance through the government, and the government's not helping. I have no car now. I'm not driving. I'm walking to work. It's freezing cold out. There's no feeling sorry for myself. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. I'm the only one working. I'm doing my best. Like, and to be told I'm feeling sorry for myself is kind of just unprofessional.
Knock it off. Knock it off. Do you want to just go talk and plead guilty? That's up to you guys. I could care less. I don't want to hear it. You owe $99. We gave you another adjournment. You pay it by then. You don't want to pay it? You want to just plead? That's up to you. I could care less. Stop arguing. Stop going on and on about your problems that you created. Now, you've got a child, so you're at least on the right track in terms of thinking, I want to make the best for my child. You should have thought about all of this a long time ago. You can't drive without insurance.
I can't afford $1,000 for insurance, sir. I can't afford 1,000. I have a child to feed still, correct?
All right.
Like,
okay.
I'm not.
All right. You want me to set it for trial, or you want to plead? What you talk to your lawyer. I'm giving you an adjournment until January 16th at 9:30. If you decide, if you want to wait, I'll go through these cases with your lawyer. You guys want to come up with something else, I'll do it. But I'm not going to pay the money for you. I don't make these rules. I don't work for the insurance companies. And I'm not going to argue with you anymore. Stop.
Who is the prosecutor? Can I speak to the prosecutor, though? I've never
No,
been.
you've got a lawyer. Just stay right there. We'll put you in a breakout room. You can talk to Mr. Shemke when you're done.
So who was right? In the end, this was never about $90. It was about dignity. We witnessed a man, stripped of his ability to provide for his family, pushed to a raw and emotional breaking point. He felt the system had broken its promise, and his frustration finally boiled over. Then we saw a judge, whose authority was challenged directly, respond not with procedure, but with pure, unfiltered anger. The moment he told Mr. Scarlett to stop feeling sorry for yourself, the case was no longer about a suspended license. It was a personal confrontation. Mr. Scarlett's emotional speech about his daughter and walking in the cold wasn't an excuse. It was a plea to be seen as a human being, not just a case file. The judge's final outburst yelling, "I could care less," is a moment that will be debated long after the court fees are paid. Put yourself in their shoes. If you were the defendant, what would you have done? And as the judge, could you have shown more empathy, or was that final show of force necessary to control the courtroom? Let me know your verdict in the comments.